Hello everyone. Who are the Realtists and what is NAREB? Here's the breakdown of NAREB's history. As late as 1940, the major trade organizations whose members represented the real estate industry did not serve Black people or other minorities. A group of forward-looking Black real estate professionals saw the need for Black professionals to form their own organization to provide both the education and access to the mainstream of the industry. The organization was founded in Tampa, Florida on July 29, 1947 by one woman and 11 men and held its first convention in Atlantic City, New Jersey, 1948. NAREB accomplishes the creed of democracy in housing by making homeownership a reality for an ever-growing number of Black Americans without limitations or restriction by working with all of the national partners. The National Association of Real Estate Brokers Incorporated, NAREB, is the oldest Black real estate trade association in America. Members of NAREB organization are known as Realtists. Although composed principally of Black Americans, other minority and majority real estate professionals, the Realtist organization is an integrated entity open to all qualified practitioners who are committed to achieving the ideals of the Realtist creed, democracy in housing. The Realtist has made substantial contributions to the cause of democracy by working to provide housing for all without limitations or restrictions. They remain true to the dual mission of serving the underserved and developing creative and effective methods of rendering such service. Through their work on civic, political, and business programs, Realtist has become the voice and conscience of proponents of equal housing opportunities for all citizens. NAREB will continue to pave the way for all citizens to be decently housed and to make cities and states of this nation even a better place in which to live. Thank you for listening.